In this video, we are going to look at some viral Korean skincare products together. We are also going to look at that one Korean skincare product that uses carbonated water as a key ingredient. Stay right here, don't change the channel. Hi, hello, 안녕, Ray입니다. 반갑습니다. Welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome. I am Ray, and if you don't know who I am, that is okay because you can find out more about me here on all social media platforms. My skin type is oily, sensitive, reactive, dehydrated, and sometimes, depending on the season, it can also be combination. P.CALM or P.CALM is a Korean skincare brand launched around 3 years ago and made its mark in the industry with the goal to tackle skin problems such as acne. But P.CALM isn't one of those brands that rely on calming ingredients such as cica to really sell their products. They actually put the skin barrier at the center of whatever they do, which is why they have developed their patented Cato Barrier Complex, made of fatty acids and cholesterol to really keep the skin barrier protected. Beauty content creator and my friend Tina Tanaka Harris was one of the first creators to review and work directly with this brand. For this video, I tried their bestsellers in barrier protection and their newest products, and I am ready to share my thoughts on them with you. On this channel, I review skincare products so that you can shop with confidence. Everything I say in this video comes from my own experiences. And with that being said, let's go! 우리 가자! This is P.CALM's newest product. It's a clay mask that turns into a foaming bubble mask upon application. I've used products like this one before, where the product automatically turns into this bubbly foam. But this one is the first time where a clay mask can turn into bubbles when exposed to oxygen. Over the years, I've grown to enjoy clay masks that are multifunctional, but I am still annoyed by the rinsing process. This mask took a long time to wash off over the sink, so it's one of those clay masks where I will recommend you to rinse and wash this off while you're in the shower. The mask itself does not have added fragrance, as you can see in the ingredients list, and the lemon peel oil is barely noticeable in this tub of clay. But if you're wondering if the basil leaf smell is strong in this product, then the answer is yes. If you enjoy the smell of basil, then you might be okay with this. For others like me, you might find it a bit off-putting. I have nothing against basil. I like basil in my food. But for basil to be a scent that lingers on my face everywhere I go after using this product, I'm a little bit concerned. I'm a little bit like, is that basil? Overall, I did not mind this product at all. I really enjoyed using it. I would give this one a B+. It's fun, it's gimmicky, and it does a great job in clearing my pores. But honestly, I've tried other products that can do the same thing without leaving my skin feeling stripped. If I were to compare this one to the Orencia Green Mochi Cleanser, I will still choose this one over that one. Orencia's Green Mochi Cleanser was a bit harsh on my skin. If I really want to criticize this product, and honestly, I might have to take off a few more points, is that this is a really small tub. If I'm expected to use this at least 2 to 3 times a week, I need more of this. It's not exactly affordable. The packaging says it's 90 grams or 3.17 ounce, but honestly, it doesn't feel like that. It's very light. When I first opened it, I was shocked by the amount that was in this container. I was like, did someone open this already and like start using it? Because it doesn't make sense for this container to only have half the amount of what the tub can contain. It's almost like when you buy a bag of like Doritos, right? And then you open it excited to eat the bag of Doritos and only to find half the bag is filled with Doritos. The rest of it is air. I might have to knock it down to B because the price and the volume you get doesn't really match. So P.CALM, please give us more of this, okay? This is a great product. I think you should actually supersize it a little bit more. Next, we have the Barrier Cycle Toner Pad. This toner pad was designed for acne-prone skin in mind, with ingredients like salicylic acid and Centella asiatica for exfoliation and calming the skin. The chestnut shell extract in this toner, which is in this toner pad tub, is actually the reason why this product can be categorized as a chemically exfoliating toner pad. It also contains guaiacylene, and sometimes marketers would market it as azoline, which I think is actually more effective as a calming agent than, say, Cica. What I love about this toner pad is that the cotton pad is eco-friendly and biodegradable. It is so soft, so soft. It doesn't look like it's gonna be soft, but it is soft. Physically, it looks like any other cotton round that you would see in a toner pad. When you start touching it, when you start applying it on your face, it is so soft. It still has the dual textured sides for picking up dead skin and surface level gunk. It's also super hydrating with an instant cooling effect. Overall, I am rating this toner pad an A-. If you have acne prone skin, I think you might find this one to be helpful. My skin was actually behaving really well while I was testing out this product, so I cannot conclude whether or not this truly treats acne breakouts. But for anyone who has sensitive skin and wants to try toner pads, this one is sensitive skin safe. My skin is super sensitive, as you may know, and this one did not cause me to have any redness, any itchiness, or any kind of reaction to this product. My only criticism for this super gentle and hydrating toner pad is the number of pads that we get. Similar to how this product barely gave us any volume, this one did not give us enough toner pads. For a toner pad that averages $20 per tub, to only have 60 pads is kind of wild to me. Many brands are launching 70 to 100 pad tubs nowadays, so I hope that P.CALM can update the packaging to include more pads at the same price point. Thank you, P.CALM. Finally, the products that I have been wanting to try for the longest time from this brand, and I am so happy to say that I was not disappointed at all. This Cato Cream from P.CALM met all my expectations. First of all, thank you, P.CALM, for giving us 80 milliliters of this moisturizer. Please apply this logic of this packaging, of this volume, to all your other products, because like it doesn't make sense. Why are you giving us 80 milliliters of moisturizer, but then with everything else you have, it's like teeny tiny, teeny tiny. Né? The key ingredients I want to point out in this moisturizer are palmitic acid for maximum moisturization and moisture retention, tocopherol to reverse sun damage, niacinamide and glutathione for evening out the skin tone and reducing premature wrinkles, ceramides to maintain a healthy skin barrier, squalane that is derived from olives to form a protective barrier against moisture loss and external irritants while improving skin elasticity, and lastly, a registered ingredient called Filmexcel, which is an innovative ingredient that delivers moisture to your skin without clogging pores. The brand also calls this the Cato Cream because this is the product where they employed their Cato Barrier Complex designed for skin barrier protection. I want to say that this is a simple moisturizer, but it is a powerful one. This cream does a bunch of things, as we saw earlier with the key ingredients, but it also has some ferments for skin biomaintenance. But it is also because it has ferments that I feel like I should let you know in case you are allergic to ferments. Some people are, some people aren't. I personally love ferments. This is an aqua gel cream, but it works into the skin like a rich emollient cream. It's honestly perfect for oily skin types because it sits so lightly but helps my skin maintain so much moisture. I think this moisturizer is safe for dry skin in the warmer months or the warmer seasons, but it is definitely not enough for dry winters for dry and dehydrated skin. Overall, I am giving this cream an A+. It deserves an A+. I instantly fell in love with it. I had a feeling I would love it, and then I ended up loving it. That's honestly one of the best feelings in this world, when you love something that you hope you would love, and that is this Cato Cream. Also, why is it called Cato Cream? We still don't know. The entire skincare community, the entire K-beauty community still doesn't know why it's called Cato Cream. Why is it called Cato Barrier Complex? Where is the Cato from? Who is this Cato? And that is all for this video. I hope this video was somewhat helpful. I know this is a fairly popular K-beauty brand, so I thought I should try them out and share my thoughts with you. I also recognize that I didn't try the entire P.CALM line because they are kind of expensive. I would love to, but I honestly can't afford buying their toner, their Pro-Cica serum, and I feel like there are enough people covering this brand's products that I don't really need to do that anymore. I mean, if you really want like a really good review, I would watch Tina Tanaka Harris's video. Yes, she is my friend, so I am a little bit more biased, but I think she did a really good job. Personally, this was the product that I really wanted to try, so if anything, I'm glad I got to try this one and review reviewed this one. The toner pad, I was like, I don't know. I felt like the toner pad was more of like a bonus for me. I didn't know what to expect and I ended up liking it, but I feel like I would go through this pad in like 1 month and then I'll have to like restock again. And quite frankly, I don't have 20 bucks to spend every single month on toner pads. A big thank you to Ellen from P.CALM for sending over these products for me to try. 감사합니다, 감사합니다, 감사합니다. As usual, I will leave all the product links in the down bar below for you guys to check out in case you guys are interested. Please help this channel grow by subscribing and sharing this video with your friends and family. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you guys next time, but until then, be safe, stay hydrated, and most importantly, be gentle with yourself. I mean it. 안녕, come back for more. 주세요, 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 주세요.